I'll be doing a focus stacking of this snout beetle today. I'll be using my Sony A7R V and my new lens, macro lens, which is Sony 100mm macro GOSS lens. I'll show you in details the focus stacking of this snout beetle with this camera setting today. I'll be showing you in details in this video how to do a focus stacking of a live insect. I'm giving the link of one of my previous video on focus stacking with Sony A7R V, where I have explained in details the techniques and everything. If you are interested, please watch that video for more detailed information about focus stacking with these modern cameras. Also in the description, I am giving the all detailed features of Sony A7R V and also Sony 100mm f2.8 macro GOSS lens. If you want detailed information, please see the description below. This is my camera setup. This is the Sony lens 100mm f2.8, and this is Sony Alpha 7 Mark 5. And for lighting system, I'll be using a diffuser box, my DIY diffuser box. You can see this is the diffuser box with a lot of lights inside, and the insect is walking here and there in this light box. But and there is a wheel down here. With this wheel, I can rotate the subject left and right to fix the angle. So this is my basic setup for today. You can see I can rotate so that I can fix the angle perfectly. Yes. I'll be doing the focus stacking of this snout beetle sitting on a green leaf. You can see I'm also doing video with this camera. Before I start, let me focus a little bit. It is moving, but I'll have to wait for a while. When it stops moving, I'll start focus stacking. Now I'm going to start the focus stacking of this snout beetle. You can see on my screen, it is not in the focus. Let me do some focusing. Now I'm going to select the starting point from here. See? Now, if I press the shutter release, now it is going to take pictures one after another. I'll take 50 snaps. You can see here is 8, 9, it is going on. Let me finish it up to 50 snap, then I will change the angle. It is done. Now I'm going to change the angle by turning the wheel a little bit. You can see I want to bring the nose in front of it. Focus a little bit. Now it is about in the end. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's done. I've taken already plenty of shots in this style in different leaves of this snout beetle, and I'll show you the pictures now. I have got plenty of videos on focus stacking in my YouTube channel. If you are interested, you can watch my earlier videos. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me in my comment. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Thank you very much.